Is this you?
Please spare some change. I really need to get back on my feet. And I've been out here for more than 2 years.
Ew, poor!
What if you could change that?
Good afternoon, investors. Today we're excited to introduce you to an amazing investment, money trees.
Imagine this, a tree that bears not fruit, but money. Sounds amazing, but not true, right? But with our revolutionary technology, it's a reality.
Our journey with money trees began with a simple question. How can we utilize nature's resources to create lasting wealth? The answer lies in our unique fertilizer and satellites, crafted to harness the growth of money-making trees.
Imagine the satisfaction of harvesting your own money, knowing it's the result of the sustainable practices and the innovative technology, and that this investment will help the life of your future children.
And speaking of sustainability, our satellite network gives maximum amounts of funds from these trees, maximizing profitability. It uses the satellites to transfer the information and mine the crypto responsible for changing and optimizing the DNA and cell structure of these trees to produce money.
In conclusion, money trees are not just an investment opportunity, they are a testament to the power of nature. Join us in planting the seeds of success and growing a better future with money trees.
Thank you for your time and consideration. We look forward to partnering with you to make money trees a reality.
Together, let's make a future where money does grow on trees.